is that she has a prima facie case. Yes, yes. Get it as an issue.
And immediately I would go to Lordship. The motion that resulted in the impeachment is the one that will do that.
My Lord, we do not need to go into the merits of the case. We do not need to canvass the evidence. We do not want to bring witnesses at this juncture. All we need to show, my Lord, is that there is one bit of likelihood of this matter succeeding.
The court, in this judgment I've referred you to, the Speaker of the National Assembly versus the Center for Rights, Education and Awareness, found that the speakers of the National Assembly and the Senate were proper parties in a suit where a person was challenging the constitutionality of actions taken by either House of Parliament.